So as you can see, I've installed the new control panel from Balboa, the VL620S. It's supposed to be a VL600S, but I'm not sure if it's just a part number change based on the age of mine. Mine was a 2012. So basically everything works. I have the spot on. The problem is when I hit the light button, as you can see, the amber does not light up. And basically, I mean, this thing is plug and play, so you kill power, unhook yours at the control panel. And here's my control panel where I plugged it in. And everything seems to be good on that end. So yeah, it's very disappointing. This is the second part that I bought from the Spa Depot that has been defective. You know, I just wish the stuff would work so I wouldn't have to keep messing around with this thing.